Hey there, welcome back to Dudes Tech. Today we are talking about the best instant camera that brings fun and creativity back into photography. If you love taking photos and holding real prints in your hand just seconds later, you are going to enjoy this one. It is simple, stylish, and made for everyday memories. Let's get started. The star of today's video is the Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 Instant Camera. This camera is designed to make instant photography easy and exciting. Right away, you will notice its compact and playful look. It feels light in your hand and easy to carry around. The bright lilac purple color adds personality and makes it stand out in the best way. One of the best features of the Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 Instant Camera is its automatic exposure function. You do not need to adjust complicated settings. The camera automatically selects the right brightness for your scene. That means your photos come out well lit, whether you are indoors or outside. It removes the guesswork and lets you focus on enjoying the moment. If you love taking selfies, this camera makes it super simple. The Mini 12 has a dedicated selfie mode. You just extend the lens barrel and it adjusts for close-up shots between 11.8 inches and 19.7 inches. There is also a small mirror built into the lens so you can see yourself and frame the shot perfectly. This makes selfies more accurate and a lot more fun. The Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 Instant Camera features a Fujinon 60mm f/12.7 lens, along with an optical image viewfinder. This combination helps you compose your shots clearly and capture sharp images. It also includes a built-in flash that works automatically, so even in low-light situations, your pictures still come out bright and clear. One of the most exciting parts is watching your photo develop right in front of you. The camera uses Instax Mini Film to create small, credit card-sized prints. They are perfect for sharing with friends, decorating your room, or keeping in your wallet. And in this package, you get 40 sheets of Fujifilm Instant Film, so you can start snapping right away. The bundle also includes a shutter-fitted case with a removable strap. This case protects your Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 Instant Camera from scratches and bumps while matching its colorful style. It is practical and stylish at the same time. Plus, the camera comes with a Fujifilm USA warranty, and the case and accessories are covered under the Shutter brand warranty, giving you extra peace of mind. The Fujifilm Instax Mini Twin Pack film included ensures you always have more chances to capture creative moments. Overall, the Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 Instant Camera makes photography simple, instant, and full of joy. This one is pure fun in your hands. Check the price link in the description to see the latest deal. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more cool tech content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.